Annyeonghaseyo, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Korean cuisine, and we have an exciting treat for you. We're going to explore the fascinating world of Korean Mandu and uncover some unknown facts about this mouth-watering delight. So, let's get started. To begin our Mandu adventure, let's take a closer look at the ingredients that make up this delectable dish. Mandu, also known as Korean dumplings, are typically made with a variety of fillings. While the most common type is pork, you can find mandu filled with beef, chicken, vegetables, or a combination of these. But that's not all. Some unique regional variations even feature seafood fillings like shrimp or squid. But did you know that mandu has a rich historical background too? According to Korean legends, the idea of mandu can be traced back to the Three Kingdoms period, making it over 2,000 years old. It is believed that this scrumptious snack was first introduced to Korea by the Mongolians. Over the centuries, mandu has evolved, and now it holds a special place in Korean culture and hearts. Now, let's explore the diverse world of mandu shapes and types. From the classic crescent moon shape to the round, byeonzi style, there are many variations of this delightful treat. Each shape may have different meanings and can be served on various occasions. For instance, jjin mandu, which is a steamed dumpling, is often enjoyed during celebrations like Lunar New Year. Korea takes its love for mandu to a whole new level with special festivals dedicated to this beloved dish. One of the most famous events is the Andong Mandu Festival, held in Andong City. During this festive celebration, people gather to taste a wide variety of mandu and witness creative mandu making competitions. Here's an interesting fact you probably didn't know: mandu isn't just a delicious treat. It can carry hidden messages too. In the past, during family gatherings or weddings, people would hide certain ingredients inside mandu to symbolize good luck and blessings. For instance, placing a chestnut inside the dumpling could signify wealth, while adding a date could symbolize the wish for a prosperous future. Korean cuisine is all about innovation, and mandu is no exception. In recent years, we've seen a rise in modern fusion mandu, where chefs experiment with unique fillings and creative wrapping styles. From cheese-filled mandu to dessert mandu with sweet fillings like red bean paste, the possibilities are endless. Beyond its delicious taste, mandu offers some surprising health benefits too. When steamed or boiled, mandu is a healthier alternative to fried snacks, making it a perfect choice for those looking to watch their calories. Plus, with the various vegetable and lean meat fillings, mandu can provide a good source of nutrients too. There you have it, folks. Korean mandu, a delightful dish with a history as rich as its flavor. From its ancient origins to the modern fusion varieties, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So, the next time you have the chance, don't miss out on trying these delightful dumplings and immerse yourself in the Korean culinary wonder that is Mandu. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting food explorations. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have ever tried Mandu and what your favorite type is. Until next time, Annyeong.